Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. I'm going to teach you in this case how to fix Krnl error in Roblox. This error that you're looking on the screen, pretty simple. First we have to go to the task manager, we right click right here on the tab and we force close Roblox. Alright, so now what we have to do is to click Windows plus R and this window is gonna open. Here we have to type %app data percentage. It's pretty simple and it's going to lead to this folder, this big folder. Here we have to search Krnl folder and we have to delete it. I do not have that folder here, but if you have it, you have to delete it. Now we go back to app data and here we have to go to local folder. Here on the local folder we have to search for the Roblox installation folder. Here on the Roblox folder we have to go to logs and here on logs we have to delete this folder. So once it's deleted, the only step left is to disable the antivirus. For this we go to settings, we go to antivirus and here we choose manage settings. So we disable this and with all that done it should be working. It's pretty simple, quick and easy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.